This is Colin Eason with Pima Medical Institute, and today we're going to take a look at how to create an APA reference for a website. On screen we have some basic information about the website we need to create a reference for, and as often is the case with websites, we don't have the name of an author. And in fact, we don't even have a publication date, but we do have a copyright date. We have the name of the section of the website that we were looking at. We have the name of the website itself, or the name of the organization's website, and we also have the full web address, or URL. So let's put all that together in APA reference format. It's pretty straightforward. Because we don't have an author, we can't start the reference with an author's name, right? So in this case, we start the reference with the section title that we were looking at. So in this example, it's how to create an APA paper the easy way. Please note that we use sentence case. In other words, we only capitalize words that are proper nouns. We do not capitalize the first letter of every single word in that title. Next, in parentheses, as with all other APA references, we put the publication date, or in this case, we put the copyright date. If we had a full publication date of year, month, and day, we could certainly include that. But in this case, we're just going to put the copyright date. Next, in italics, this is very important here. In italics, we put the name of the website that we're referencing. So in this case, it's Pima Medical Institute. As with journal and magazine titles, we use title case. That means that we use a capital letter for the beginning of every significant word of 4 letters or more. So Pima Medical Institute, it's also a proper noun. So therefore we include capital letters. Whenever referencing web addresses, we also have to put retrieved from followed by the web address itself. Now if that web address runs onto multiple lines, 3, 4, 5 lines sometimes, we need to include the full thing. Please do not truncate or cut it short in any way, shape or form. You do need to include the full web address. Sometimes your word processor will automatically change the color of that text into blue and will underline it. That's absolutely fine. You can leave it like that, or if that bothers you, you could highlight the text, change the color back to black, and remove the underlining if necessary. That's how to create the reference. But what about those parenthetical citations that go in the middle of your research paper in the text? In this case, since there's no author, we can't put an author and the publication year, so we have to put the title of the article. Please note that we actually put that within quote marks, those double quotes, and then we put the year of publication after that. You cannot provide a page number for a web resource. Since there are no published page numbers, you should never ever include a page number of anything that you're referencing from a website. Last but not least, occasionally there is no date visible on a website. In that case, APA has a solution for us. Wherever there is no date, we are allowed to put ND in lowercase n period D period, literally stands for no date. We put that into the reference, and as far as the parenthetical citation, same thing. The title of the website goes into quotes, and we put ND at the end for no date. As with other APA references, if the website section that we're looking at actually has an author, we would of course begin the reference with the author's name, and this section right here, the section title, would move to here. Just like with the journal reference, it would go right in front of the name of the website itself. Don't worry if that's a little bit complicated. Watch the screencast again, look at the magic formula on screen, and hopefully that will all make sense for you.